Very good morning, children. Today I am going to discuss about the some sums. Okay, in exercise number 10.3 in mensuration chapter. Okay, first sum is an iron pillar consists of a cylindrical portion of 2.8 meters height and 20 centimeters in diameter, and a cone of 42 centimeters height surmounting on it. Find the weight of the pillar if 1 centimeter of iron base is 7.5 grams. Okay, children, see, it is a cylindrical portion of height 2.8 meters. That should be converted into centimeters, that is 280 centimeters height, and a conical portion surmounting on it, which height is 42 centimeters and base diameter of the cylinder is 20 centimeters. Therefore, R is equal to D by 2, which is 10 centimeters. Okay, if we find the volume of a conical portion and volume of a cylindrical portion, we'll get the sum of these two, will get the volume of iron pillar. Okay, children, see, first let us take the cylindrical portion. Now, diameter of the base, which is equal to D is equals to 20 centimeters, and radius is equals to R is equal to D by 2, which is equal to 20 by 2, which is equal to 10 centimeters. 2 10 times cancel. Okay. Next, see here, what is the height? Height is equals to H, which is equals to 280 centimeters. Now, we are going to find out the volume of cylinder. What is the formula for volume of cylinder? See here, pi r square H, which is equal to 22 by 7 into R value is 10 into 10 square. That means 10 into 10 pi r square. H value is 280 centimeters. 7 table 40 times cancel. Now see, children, 4 2 8, 4 2 8, 88 after 3 zeros. 88 centimeter cube. 88,000 centimeter cube. That is the volume of the cylinder. Now, second case, cone. In this, what is radius? Radius is equals to R is equal to 10 centimeters. Why? Because see, this bottom end and conical portion, top of the end, also same. Both are the circular in shape. The diameter is 20 centimeters. That's why 10 centimeters is the radius. And what about height? Height of the cone is equals to H is equal to 42 centimeters given. Now, volume of cone is equal to, we know the formula for volume of cone, 1 by 3 pi r square H. 1 by 3 pi r square H. Okay, children, see, which is equal to 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into R value is 10 into 10 into H value is 42. 7 table, see here how many times? 7 6 are 42, which is equals to, see, 6 2s 12, 6 2s 12, 13, 132, 100 by 3. 130 to 100 by 3. Okay, now see here 132 100 by 3. Now again see here this one 3 table, 3 4s 12, 3 4s 12, therefore which is equal to 4400 centimeter cube. That is the volume of the cone. Now see, children, total volume of a pillar. See here, total volume is equals to volume of cylinder plus volume of cone, which is equal to 88,000 plus 4,400, which is equals to, add it, 88,000 plus 4,400, add it, how much? 92,400. 92,400 centimeter cube. That is the total volume of the pillar. But total weight of the pillar, total weight of the pillar, total weight of the pillar, iron pillar, total weight of the pillar at a weight of 7.5 grams per 1 centimeter cube. 1 centimeter cube. 1 centimeter cube, which is equals to 92,400 into 7.5 grams, which is equal to 69,000. 6,93,000 grams. 6,93,000 grams, which is equal to 693 kgs. Therefore, the weight of, what is that? Weight of an iron pillar is equals to weight of an iron pillar is equals to 693 kgs. 693 kgs. Okay. Okay, children. Okay. Okay, children, let us take one more sum. See, a toy is made in the form of hemisphere surmounted by a right cone whose circular base is joined with the plane surface of the hemisphere. The radius of the base of cone is 7 centimeters and its volume is 3/2 of the hemisphere. Calculate the height of cone and surface area of the toy correct to 2 places of decimal. 2 places of decimal. Okay, children, see, it is the hemisphere and surmounted cone on it. Its radius is given, r is equal to 7 centimeters. R is equals to 7 centimeters. It is the height of the cone. It is the height of the cone. Okay, children. Finally, it is a toy. It is a toy. See, first one, given radius is equals to, solution, given radius is equals to, r is equal to 7 centimeters. And also, volume of cone is equals to, volume of cone is equals to 3/2. Volume of cone is equal to 3/2 volume of hemisphere. Volume of hemisphere. Volume of hemisphere. Okay, children, see, volume of cone formula is 1/3 pi r square h, which is equal to 3/2 into volume of hemisphere. What is the volume of hemisphere formula? 2/3 into pi r cube. Children, see, this pi and pi should cancel. Okay, now this r square and in this one time cancel. This 2 get cancelled. Therefore, h/3 is equal to remaining parts. h/3 is equals to r. That implies H is equal to 3 into R. That is the conclusion. Height is equal to 3 times of the radius. Height is equal to 3 times of the radius, which is equals to H 3 into 7 is equal to 21 centimeters. H is equal to 21 centimeters. Therefore, height of the cone is 21 centimeters. It is 21 centimeters. 21 centimeters. Okay, children. Now, first take the cone. In this, radius is equals to R is equals to 7 centimeters. Radius is equals to R is equals to 7 centimeters. Height is equals to H is equal to 21 centimeters. Now we are going to find out the surface areas of the cone and hemisphere. Now see children, slant height is equals to L is equal to R square plus H square, which is equals to R value is 7 square plus H value is 21 square under the root, which is equals to 7 square means 49 plus 21 is 441, which is equals to 490 under the root. Approximately its value is equals to 22.135 centimeters. Approximately its value is 22.135 centimeters. The square root of 490 is 22.135 centimeters square. That is the slant height. Therefore, surface area is curved surface area of cone. Formula is pi RL. Now, which is equal to 22 by 7 into R value is 7 into L value is 22.135. 7 should cancel. 22 into 22.135. 22 into 23.135. That is equals to, if you are multiplying these two, 486.990 centimeters square. If you are multiplying 22 and 22.135 is 486.990 centimeters square. Now take the hemisphere. What is our 7 centimeters given? What is our 7 centimeters given? Okay, CSA is curved surface area of hemisphere 2 pi R square, which is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into R value is 7 into 7. This 7 should cancel. 22 is 44. 44 into 7. See here, 308 centimeters square. That is the curved surface area of hemisphere. Therefore, curved surface area of toy is equals to CSA of toy is equal to CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere, which is equal to CSA of cone is 486.990 plus CSA of hemisphere is 308 centimeters square. If you are adding these two, see 486.990 and 308.000. 099 14 9 794.990 centimeter square. Okay children, that is the curved surface area of the toy. Okay children, thank you so much. I hope you understood well. Thank you.